Meet the all-new Karcher K1700. Electric and easy to use with the power and durability to get things done. Simply hook up, turn on, and wash. The K1700 generates 1700 psi of true pressure cleaning power. Restore your home's exterior, and then clean your patio furniture and garage doors. The K1700 quickly cleans your car, your kids' play areas, and your house, deck, and driveway. Karcher. Cleaner, quicker. The lightweight and portable K1700 has power for deep cleaning, an assortment of quick connect nozzles, a removable detergent tank, and durable all-metal hose connections. With oversized wheels, all on a heavy-duty frame. You operate the on-off switch by foot, and the quiet electric motor turns off when you stop spraying. When you're done, everything stores on board. The cord on the handle, and a handy storage bin holds the hose, spray gun, or whatever you need. With Karcher, you get the best power for your dollar and a superior 3-year best-in-class warranty. For even more convenience, you can add hose extensions, surface cleaners, wash brushes, or foaming soap applicators to give you even more versatility. Karcher pressure washers give you the power to complete projects quickly so your home looks like new again. Karcher makes a difference.